Stress with food that sticks to your pan? Burdensome task of scrubbing on messes after cooking? Tired of non-stick that scratches? Finally, the greatest innovation in cooking has arrived! La Gourmet Galactic Wok, the first honeycomb non-stick wok with ultimate durability. It combines the strength of stainless steel and the benefits of a non-stick. La Gourmet Galactic Wok is the only non-stick cookware that's so durable. With La Gourmet's unique and special manufacturing process, the E-Log Premium Non-Stick coating is embedded inside a honeycomb-shaped stainless steel wedge. The honeycomb structure and the raised stainless steel dots act like a protector for the non-stick coating. La Gourmet 5-ply cladded 18x10 stainless steel for superior heat conduction. This unique interior surface of La Gourmet Galactic Wok protects the non-stick coating from scratching. Now you can finally enjoy using your stainless steel utensils on your non-stick wok. The honeycomb structure protects and creates the high-low surface, making frying easier with ultimate non-stick durability. Food easily slides off, making it easy to clean and reducing your oil consumption, giving healthy and tasty food. La Gourmet Galactic Wok is made of durable, specially formulated 5-ply cladded 18x10 stainless steel, which comes with a 10-year warranty, saves up to 50% in energy. The 5-ply cladded 18x10 stainless steel body is a great conductor of heat, compatible with induction, electric, ceramic, and gas stove, suitable for all types of cooking. Anti-rust and corrosion resistance. You can now have perfectly cooked and seared food. The times of scratched non-stick surfaces are over with La Gourmet's Galactic Wok, which combines the strength of stainless steel and non-stick benefits.